In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 2FA on CoinStats. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a unique code from your phone each time you sign in. It only takes a couple of minutes and it can make a big difference in keeping your portfolio secure. Start by opening your browser and going to the CoinStats website. If you aren't already logged in, sign into your account first so you can access your settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right and click the profile icon. From the menu that appears, click your profile username to open your account and personal data settings. On the settings page, find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication and click Enable. CoinStats will now guide you through connecting an authenticator app. If you don't have one yet, pause here and download Google Authenticator from the App Store on iOS or the Play Store on Android. Install it and get it ready on your phone before moving on. Back on CoinStats, you'll see a QR code along with a setup key. Open Google Authenticator on your phone. You can either use the app's option to scan a QR code, which is the fastest method, or choose to enter the setup key manually if you prefer not to use the camera. Entering the key manually must be exact, so double-check each character to avoid errors. CoinStats will also show you that setup key for safekeeping. Save this key in a secure place. It's important because it lets you recover your authenticator if you lose or replace your phone. A password manager or securely stored offline note works well here. Never share this key with anyone. Once the account is added in Google Authenticator, you'll see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Return to the CoinStats page, paste or type the current verification code into the field provided, and do it promptly so the code doesn't expire. If the code changes while you're typing, just use the next one. Finally, click Enable to complete the setup. You should see a confirmation that 2FA is active. To be extra sure, you can sign out and sign back in to test that it prompts for a code. If a code isn't accepted, make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic, confirm you scanned the correct QR code, and try again. That's it. Your CoinStats account now has two-factor protection enabled. Keep your recovery key safe and enjoy the added peace of mind.